Hey everyone, and welcome back to Human Resource Machine. We're going into this now and not very far to go. We have 3 more programs. And then we get onto some complicated shit. So, scavenger chain. Did I say that? Yeah, okay. The fuck happened to this building? Cough, cough. Yes, it's getting a little drafty up here. Don't fucking wonder. There's a big fucking hole in it. Facility manager has been notified, but we have to do our job. Right. Each pair on the floor contains 1. Data, 2. The address of another one of its pairs. Right. A scramble chain. Each thing in the inbox is an address of one of the pairs. Outbox the data for that pair, and also the data in all following pairs. Oh my. Right. So, if we go 23, it's going to go A. A's pair is 10. And then it's P. P's pair is 20. Then it's E. -1 is the end of it then, I would take, because it's not valid. So, if negative, I can ignore it. Right, so if I go inbox, and what I have... I'm going to want to save the current one I'm checking, so I want to copy to 17 and call it check, right? Then what I want to go do is I'll have a number. So I'm going to want to I want to copy it from the reference of check. Outbox that. Then I'm gonna want to bump up check, and copy from the reference of check again, and then copy that to there, and then loop that, right? But if it's 0, I want to go back up to the inbox and start again. Is it? So let's see, inbox, copy to check. Right, then I'm going to copy from there. Oh. Copy to check. Then I'm going to want to do the jump if it's... Ooh. Not if it's 0, if it's negative. And I'm going to want to do that if this... If what I'm holding is... So it's going to copy to check. Yeah, right. So, inbox, 0. Copy to check. Right, copy from that. I'm going to outbox it. And I'm going to bump up check. Copy from that. Copy to that. Then go back up. It's not negative, so copy from that. I think we might have it. Yeah, I think so. I didn't even read it. Peace? What did it say? Damn it. But, no, actually that one was straightforward. That one was, one off on the fucking... never mind it. It's fine. We'll come back to it like I said, but that one was actually quite easy. Re-coordination. Right. Oh my. Right. Right. Pawn to b6. There's only numbers and numbers. And check and fuck you. Each number in the inbox is an address of a tile on the floor. Send to the outbox the coordinates of that tile. Column first, then row second. Then an address is 6 and its coordinates is 2, 1. Oh, balls. Why is there a 0 and why is there a 4 on the ground? I know why there's a 0 and I know why there's a 4 on the ground. This one is gonna wreck my fucking head. Right. So what I realistically, if it's her example, right? If the address is 6, if it's here. Stop. Column first. Column first. So I want to check down the way. If... Hang on, that can be... That 4 and 0. I mightn't get to use... I don't have to put anything on the floor, do I? Ooh. Ah, fuck. Okay. If I do a... so 0 and 0 is 0. 1 plus 1. So 1 and 0 is 1. 2 and 0, 2, 3. 1 and 0, 4. But if I have to times it by 4. Yeah, so this is times 4. This is times 4 plus 1. 4. Here. Oh, okay, right. So, do I want to set up a grid? And check through all of them? Oh, that's confusing. Let me think about this a second. Okay, I'm back. I was actually pondering on this so long and I ended up going to the loo and I had a brainwave on the loo. So, I don't know if it'll work yet, but I think the most important thing isn't looking at the floor, but looking at the fact that I know it's a 4x4 grid. So, if I was to take 5, position 5, right? If I look at how many times 4 goes into itself, and if there's a remainder. So, 4 will go into 5 once. That'll give me the column. Plus this remainder is 1, so 1. So if I have 15, right? Down here. 4 goes into 15 3 times, right? Plus the 3 remainder, so it's going to be 3 by 3. So I just need to calculate how many times 4 goes into it plus the remainder, and that's why there's a 4 on the floor. And then if it ends up being a 0 when I have to output, then fine, but I should be able to calculate it, right? So if I go inbox, check. Check is just going to be whatever I have on hand, right? So 5, that's what I'm checking. So if I do 5, oh, I'm gonna have to keep a count as well, aren't I? So the first thing I want to copy from is 0 to count. I also want to bump that. Right, then so that's going to be my counting one. It's a bit weird, but counting it. Then I'm going to go to the inbox, copy it down to check. Then what I want to go to do with that is take it away from 4. So check minus 4. If it's a negative, I'm going to want to do something. Otherwise, I'm going to want to bump count. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to want to copy to remainder. I'm just going to call it rem, right? Copy to remainder, so I know how much the remainder is. Then I'm going to want to bump count. Copy it from remainder. And go... Did I say bump 15? I want to sub 15. Then I'm going to want to jump back up here. Sub it from 15. Once it's a negative, then I know. What do I know? Once it's a negative, I know how many times its 4 goes into it. So that's my column. So I want to then copy from count and outbox it. That's my column count. Next, I want to take my remainder and subtract it. I want to add it to check, and that should be my row 1. Or am I completely mad? And then I want to copy to count. Wait, why did I bump count right away? Because it's 0? Do I want it to be 0? Hang on, I want that to be 0. Why did I bump? So let's see, 5. I just need to work through it now. So do my setup. That's my count off. Go to the inbox. Copy it down to there. I'm gonna subtract it from there. So I have 1. Copy to there. Bump the count. The count is what I want as the other outbox, not to sub it from each other, isn't it? Copy from there. Then I'm gonna sub that. Right, it's a negative now. So I want to copy from count, output that, copy from rem, minus that. Wait, where did I add it? Okay, wait, so I got the first bit right, I just got confused on the output of it then. So the count is going to be how many times it goes into it. And that will be the... So I want the remainder then of how many times it's gone into it. No. Shit. Wait, I have the remainder on the floor. Copy from remainder. Outbox it. Am I mad? Right, set this up first. 7. So we're going to copy the check. 7 should end up being 3-1. Right? There's a reason why I bumped count first. Is there? 3. 3 minus 4 minus 1. That's wrong. The 7 is here. So 1, sorry, it's, the count ends up being the row first. It's the remainder from that. So I want rem first. Yeah. No. Did I not set something up again? Right, so hang on. So that worked, and then we want to copy from copy to there. Inbox. So 2. Oh, I didn't handle it if it's so if I go down here, it has to be a special condition that if count is equal to 0. So if it's negative, and if then we want to first copy from count. If that is 0, I want to flip the order. Right? If it's 0, I want to... Oh shit, that way. Copy from count. If it's 0, jump out of it. Otherwise, we're going to do this. And then I'm going to copy from count, outbox, copy from... if it's 1, 2, or 3, it'll be in its own position. Check. Outbox. Jump back to the beginning, right? What am I missing? I'm a madman. Right, so hang on. I'm just rushing through hoping it fucking works out, right? Copy from there. Set up that, that's fine. Copy to check. So it's a tree. So tree should end up being 0, 3. Right? Coordinates. They're like column first and row, so it should be 3, 0. Sorry. Check. Count. Oh, please fucking work. That was a bit of a fucking ballsy one, but I was just getting the logic mixed around a bit on it. But no, that was... Oh, I'm well off on the size challenge. I well overcomplicated that one, but anyway, it wasn't too bad in the end. Right. Sorting floor, and then we get to end program. Right, let's keep going. Fuck it. Where are we at? We're just 20 minutes in. Right. Check out this new office. What's different about it? We've really climbed the corporate ladder together. Thank you. My supervising skills truly are adequate. Your skills are pretty good too, I guess. Whatever. Whoa, wait, there's already something set up. That's strange. For each 0 terminated string in the inbox, sort the contents of the string, smallest first, biggest last. I put the results in the outbox. Oh. What does this code do that they gave us? Hey, wait, that's a fucking... That's a count like I've been doing all this time. For the other ones. Oh, wait, no, that's my... That's my, setup to put it down. Right, so they just did the first bit, so I get to the 0. And now, okay, so they give me the setup code. So it won't matter the fact that I have, it will. Sorting it, right. I'm gonna want to check through. Oh, there's loads of different ways of doing sorts. I've never actually done one in programming that wasn't a function that was built into something already. I've never built something to sort something. I've only ever used something that's been there to sort it for me. You can do it where you go like, okay, you can do like random ones where you just put in a random order. Is it sorted? No, do it again. But we can't do that here. You can do it where you take the first one, that's fine. You take the one on the right. Is it, take the 2 away. Is it a negative? No. If it's a negative, then the one on the right is bigger than the one on the left. Leave it as is, otherwise swap them. And then do it again and keep moving through the string. How do I do that here without making it a fucking balls of a complicated matter? So this is fine. This sets up my putting them down on the floor. Now I want to be able to sort them by checking. So I'm going to want to copy from that. I'm not going to want to copy to any. Copy to. This is going to be my status of where I get things from. So I'll know where I'm at to swap things around. So I'm going to want to copy it from status and status stat add. Well, I'll do status plus, right? So status should be copy to status bump. No, copy to status plus and bump status plus. So that's the position ahead. Oh, no, this is gonna get ridiculous. It's gonna get so ridiculous. You won't even believe it. Wait, what does that setup code do again? Did I mean to put that bump there? Oh no, wait. Okay, I didn't. Copy the status. I just did something wrong. I just realized there's no redo in the code. Copy to status plus, and then bump status plus. Right, and then I'm going to go in back to do all this stuff. Right, and then I'm going to want to copy from the reference to status and subtract it from the reference to status plus. If it is a negative, if I take the first one, take it away from the second one, bigger one minus the smaller one, the bigger one's still bigger. I'm going to want to do it the other way around, right? Copy from status plus. If it's a 0, I'm going to want to get out of there because I'm at the end of it. If it's a 0. Yeah. I'll just say get out for the minute, right? So copy from status plus. If it's a 0, get out of it. Otherwise, I'm going to subtract it from status. So the second one. So if the bigger one is here, if I take the big one minus that one, it's going to stay positive. That'll stay where it is. I don't want to do anything. Otherwise, if it is a negative, so I want to then I want to bump status, leave things where they are, jump back around, do that again. So if it is a negative, then I'm going to want to copy from copy from the reference of status, copy to there for now, RAM, because I'm gonna want to just remember that. Copy from status plus, copy to RAM, copy from not status plus status, copy to status plus, copy from This is getting ridiculous. Copy from RAM. Copy to status. Reference status. Then I'm going to want to go up to here. Jump up around. I'm going to want to do a check. Right? So check is going to be pump status. And then I'm going to also want to copy this to check. No. I'm going to want to copy to check as 0. Check. Right? If I end up doing this shuffle about, then I'm going to want to bump check, right? Because I ended up moving things. And then the if 0 one, this one here. If I get to 0, copy from check. If it's 0, I'm gonna want to do an output thing then. But otherwise, if it's not, I'm gonna want to copy from check. No, I'm gonna want to copy from the 0 line. Copy to check. Then go back around to the start of that string, which is copy from status, right? Then if it is 0, so we've gone through it, we've shuffled it about so that nothing can go, nothing has changed order, so we must have it in the right order, I hope. Then I'm going to want to output it. So to do that, I'm going to want to use the check again, right? No, I don't have to use check because it's just... Right, so I'm going to want to copy from 0. Outbox it. Copy from reference to check. If it's 0, go back up to... Will I have to reset everything? Yes, I will. Go back up to there and reset it. Okay. So if it's 0, I'm gonna go back up and reset it. Otherwise, I'm going to want to outbox it, bump check, and then do that again. I have fucking no idea if this is gonna work. Right, let's do the setup, get everything out. Right, there's my 0, right? Right. Copy from status. 29. Take 29 away from 82. We have a negative, so 29 is smaller. Then I want to copy from that, put it in RAM, copy from there, move it there, copy from that, put it there, so I've moved them. I'm going to bump that, and I'm going to jump back up to the wrong place. I have to jump it to there. Right? Okay, let's see. I have to put jumps in the wrong place now, and this is gonna get fucking confusing. Right, 23 from 90. It's a negative. I want to take 23, put it in RAM. Take 90, put it there. Take to 23, put it there. So I have bumped that It's not 0. So we know that we've done something. That string. Now I'm going to want to bump status. Bump status. Do it again. Status. Minus that. So then you want to shuffle them about again. God, I hope this works. Right. That's 2. And I want to jump back up here. Bump status. Bump status. Copy from status. It's a 0. Right. Then we're going to copy from check. If it's 0, I'm going to copy from 24. Reset that. Go back around. That jump. Fuck, which one was it again? Hang on, go back. This jump. I want to reset status. Ah, fuck it. Do I just bring this down here and just do it down here and make it more complicated just because I'm gonna wreck my head otherwise? Yes. Right, copy from there. Copy to status. Copy to status plus. Bump. Status plus. Then jump back up to copy from status. Oh god. I'm gonna slow down and just watch it because I'm gonna get lost otherwise. Right. Correct. I hope. Right. Zero. Should I do that check first? That would cut down speed, right? Oh, I didn't need to copy that either, so that would cut down speed also. That minus that. It's a 10, so yeah, there was no change in that. That minus that. There's no change in that either. It's 0, that's 0. Copy that. Outbox it. Bump that. Copy that. Outbox it. Bump that. Copy that. Outbox it. Bump that. Copy that. Hey, it's a 0. Oh my god. Rain. Oh fuck, wait, did that take up RAM? I didn't consider if it's longer than RAM. Damn it! Fuck you! This is gonna be RAM new. RAM plus because it's better than you. Anywhere that I said RAM, I want to replace it with the RAM plus. I didn't consider the strings getting ridiculously long. Do you know what? This isn't. It's just going to be RAM. I'm just going to, you know. And this one is going to be check. Spelt that way because fuck it. Right, RAM is going to be RAM. What was that copied to there for? Wait, was that name something else and I'm after fucking everything up now? Oh. What have I done? Wait, so copied from 24. So, I don't know why it's putting it there now. He doesn't need to put it there. Why is that there? Fuck off. Right. RAM. RAM. Why am I bumping RAM? Inbox, copy to RAM. Jump if 0. Otherwise, if it is 0. Oh no. Bump RAM, go back up to... Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Am I after fucking this up now? Trying to move shit about. Anyway. RAM. Right, and what else did I move? Check. Oh no. Which one was it? Oh fuck. Let's not accidentally click things and confuse the shit of myself even more. What have I done? Ah! I pulled my headphones out. That's what I've done. I fucked up the lads' code, the initial code. Because they were using the slot I'm using as RAM for something else. There. Stop. What were they using it for? What were they using it for? Oh no. If I copy this right and clear it, paste it. Oh no, I don't want to lose all this now because that would be a fucking catastrophe. Right, they're going inbox, copying it to, oh, they had a count, start. Right, that initial one is going to be start, right? Check. That copy to RAM one there was a copy to start. Status, start, check, status, fucking so many shit. Oh, fuck me! What? Copy to there. No. I want to bump just start. Fuck. I'm wrecking my head now for no reason. For no goddamn fucking reason. I hope I have this the right way around. Ugh. False! So it should be A, B, C. I don't know the alphabet. A, E, F, L, S. This'll take a while. I should have renamed those things on the floor, but anyway. A, E, F, L, S. Yes! Oh, it's working. Oh, they put in a... Yeah, see, they put in a massive one. Just to wreck my fucking head. And make sure it works on everything, didn't they? This is a very inefficient way of sorting. And... if you did it this way in something like this that has a fuck ton of numbers, you're going to end up wasting a lot of computing time that could be used elsewhere. But I honestly don't know sort methods that well, how to sort things properly, and I've only ever used existing sort functions and whatever I've been doing to do it for me. Oh, what if they're equal? Oh god. I never considered if they're equal. I haven't been comparing equals, but maybe it'll just be fine. Or if there's only one. Oh, I did it! Oh my fuck. How bad is this? Fucking 714 compared to 1200. See, that's why I need to look up how to sort things properly and do that. But oh my fuck, I managed it. End program. Congratulations. The robots have become our masters.
Congratulations.
Oh my god, they talk.
Valuable instruction follower.
Yes, don't worry, your job is safe. We've replaced you with this electric box.
It's called a computer. It operates through a list of simple instructions called a program.
It has a small amount of memory to store data while processing, like tiles on the floor.
It has
Right.
inputs.
And outputs.
Its simple instructions can be used together in infinite combinations to compute just about anything you can imagine.
Yeah.
A truly efficient worker that never sleeps.
It's going to change everything.
Oh my god.
Please take your things and enjoy whatever it is you people do out there. Congratulations.
The robots were taking over. They took my job. Fucking computer. Oh, what now? Is that it? Oh, it's the elevator. Is it? There's a fucking... Oh yeah, the war against the robots is on. Well, shit. I don't want to go out. Leave me be in and be a computer. Oh, look how happy he is. Oh, is he gonna get stood on or something? That was very cool. I really enjoyed playing that, even though it's a head wrecker of a fucking thing. Fucking good job, guys. Jesus, yeah, if you want to get a basic understanding of some fundamentals that is good to have when programming, it's actually a really interesting game to get that out. Even though you may end up, when you go into doing real programming, then it gets even more fucking complicated at times, but there's a lot of things out there, a lot of tools, a lot of pre-built stuff and APIs. But yeah, thank you. That was actually really cool. Now, what about all those fucking robots that are taking over around the place? I would be interested to play the 7 Billion Humans game that they have as well, where you have to program people to do things. I'm not sure exactly that, but that would be kind of interesting. But yeah, that was fucking cool. Damn. Right. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around with that. It was kind of a slog of a thing. I'm going to get on to some very different type games probably down the line, but no, I did enjoy going through that. It was very interesting. And appreciate you all watching. So leave a like if you liked it, leave a dislike if you disliked it, leave a comment down below, say why, suggest any games or any sort of suggestions for videos. I'll definitely enjoy getting around to them down the line. So also subscribe so you know when the next videos are coming out. Thanks again. Bye bye.